Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of the other hidden controls on mouse and keyboard for web fishing that you might not be aware of. The first one is, if you hit H, you can hide your HUD, which makes it really easy to take really cool pictures with your friends without all of your controls in the way. And then you can even hit N, combined with H, and N is free cam mode, where you can literally camera around the island and look around without being tethered to your physical body, which makes it really easy to take really good looking thumbnail pictures if that's what you're into. You're gonna hit N again to stick your camera back to your character, and then H again to unhide everything. Some of the other controls that you've got is G is bark or meow, depending on what you have equipped for a body type. You can also kiss people by hitting K and spamming the smooch button. And then if you want to emote at people, you can hit C, and you've got a whole bunch of emotes when you hold C that are like, you're sad, or you're excited, or, you know, you want to clap for somebody or be surprised. You got all those under C. And if you want to decorate stuff using props, like I've got a big bunch of props over here, you can buy the props at this store right here. But if you want to place them down, you hit the V key. You can clear all your props that are currently out elsewhere on the map, and you can place them all down right here in front of you again, which is very handy. So you can decorate and make like a beach party if you want with your very own campfire and stuff, which is very nice. If you're wondering how to access your bait bucket, it's B. That's where you select all your fishing equipment. And then your main inventory is the tab key, which is your inventory, including the creatures that you've got to sell. Your journal, which keeps track of all the things you've caught and the different animals you've encountered. You can customize what your sort of look is like inside of your appearance settings. You can send and receive letters in your inbox. I'm not really sure. You can create a letter by just hitting create letter, but you can't do so in an offline game. You got to be in a game with other people for this to work. Then you've also got a list of all of the players currently in the server. So that's been a brief look at some of the hidden controls inside of web fishing. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.